Screen with you. I'm going to answer questions A through E to analyze the stockholders' equity sheet and answer these questions. So the first question is, how many shares of common stock are outstanding? So how we're going to figure this out is we are going to take under the common stock, no par, 729,310 shares authorized. Out of those, 564,000 shares were issued. So we're going to take 564,000 shares and we're going to subtract it from the treasury stock, which is 7,800 common shares. And that's going to give us 556,200 shares. So the answer there is 556,200. Okay, to go to B, assuming that there is a stated value, what is the stated value of common stock? So to figure this one out, we are going to take the common stock amount, which is 1,692,000, and we are going to divide it by the number of shares, the 564,000 shares. And that is going to give us, something went wrong. That should be $3. So let's see. So that's going to give us $3 per share. The next one is, what is the par value of the preferred stock? How we're going to figure this out is we are going to take the amount of preferred stock, which is 663,000, and we are going to divide that by the outstanding shares of preferred stock, which is 6,500. My computer doesn't want to work tonight. Divide that by 6,500. And that gives us $102 per share. And let's highlight these so that we know these are our answers. Okay. Question D, we need to find the dividend rate on the annual dividend on preferred stock is 53,040. What is the dividend rate on preferred stock? So how we're going to figure that out is we're going to take the 53,040 and we're going to divide that by the amount of money that was collected in preferred stock. So we're going to divide that by $663,000. And then we are also going to take that and we're going to times that by 100. That's going to give us 8%. The dividend rate is 8%. The last question is we're going to find out what if the dividends were at 72,300, we're in arrears on preferred stock, what would the balance reported be in retained earnings? And as we learned through our lesson, we learned that retained earnings doesn't change if the dividends in arrears have not been paid or have not been accounted for yet. So the dividends in arrears only are disclosed in the notes of the financial statements. So the answer to this one is actually going to be what the retained earnings is already at, which is 1,180,000. So that would be our answer. I hope this helped. I hope that you guys have a great night. If you have any questions, please let me know. Hopefully this made sense. Let me know. Thanks, you guys.